Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, as promised, I'll be sharing with you two other recipes from my amazingly delicious cream spinach. Please check the link out in the description box. Now we are going to add some oil, onion, garlic, saute this for about 3 minutes. Then we're going to add some ground beef. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Season to your likeness and taste. Everything that I use here, guys, will be in the description box. We're going to add some mushroom, bell peppers, and parsley. Then we're going to add the meat to the cream spinach. Mix that in here, guys. You can adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. I just went ahead and I added some freshly grated parmesan. This was absolutely delicious. Alright, then you can use any pasta of your choice. Follow to the instructions on the box, mixed in and done. That's it, guys. It was so quick and easy, and these days right now I am just all about quick and easy, okay? So I do hope you guys make this one. My second recipe is pizza. My son and I usually would have pizza night on Fridays. So I would usually make pizza or purchase. So today I'm going to use this to make my pizza. And everything that I use here to make the pizza as well will be in the description box. You can add meat if you like, chicken, beef, whatever. I'm just using mushrooms. Alright. And we are going to bake this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it is done. That's it. Sometimes cooking, we just need something quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Thank goodness for cream spinach because it is so versatile. All right, love you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.